are here in Redding, California. Took a trip this morning about 5 a.m. to Pick and Pull. They have this doors I'm looking for. And these doors are really expensive. If you were to buy it, well, you can't buy it brand new anymore, but a lot of these online are going for around anywhere from $300 to $600. So let me show you guys what I'm talking about. So this is my 2012 Ford Transit Connect. And I picked this up in Reno for a pretty good deal. We're gonna do a little conversion in this van. And what I wanted to do was find some doors with glass panel on the rear and the glass panel on the side doors. And I happened to find these up in Reno at a place called Pick and Pull. So I made a trip up here this morning at 5 a.m. to get here at 8 when they opened. And let me show you guys what I did here so far. So last night I built this little frame for the van where I can slide in my 4 doors right here. And I just picked my first rear door, and there's the glass, as you guys can see in the panel, and that's gonna go right here. So that's gonna give a nice, more of a premium package look for the van here. I know a lot of you might be thinking, well, you know, having a no glass, giving you more privacy is a better way to go. And I totally agree. And I'm going to do a blackout, but I still want the glass. Just, I think it looks more luxurious, right? A premium package. Okay, so we're gonna go back to the yard and we're gonna keep picking. So this is one of the nicest pick and pull yard I've been to. Look at the aisles. They picked up everything and put it back in the trunk so you can get a cart down these aisles. But this place, it's really nice. It's a little bit out of the way from Sacramento. There's a few places in Sacramento, but this is the only yard that has these side doors. Okay, so we got this first one off here. All right, so to pull these rear doors off, it's really simple. One side of it, the driver's side has a wire harness here. Because my wire harness is still good, I just end up cutting that off. And you got 4 bolts. And on the other side, there's 2 there and 2 there. And this thing will slide right off. So let me show you what I did to get this sliding door out. So there are 3 bolts on the back end there. You need to unscrew that. Then there's also a screw right here with an end cap, which is right here. So you gotta take this off because once this comes off, you can slide the track off of here. Same thing for up here. You gotta unscrew this right here. And then you have 2 bolts right here, and that's it. Okay, guys, so we got 3 doors. We in 1 to go. Check this out. They got, well, not just here, but any U-Paulets or Salvage yards have cheap cars you guys can buy. Like, look at this one, Acura. I think it's the TL. Probably early 90s for $1,600. Nissans, Buicks, more Nissans. So if you guys looking for a cheap car, maybe consider coming out to a salvage yard. Most of these cars are probably running. It drives and shifts, but maybe not all that well. And there's a reason why these are out here, right? Because these are all salvage vehicles. So there you go. Woo! Just to give you guys an idea how much it's raining out here. You can see the water drops on this mud puddle. We're almost done, guys. 1 more door and a few trims. So most of these bolts been pretty easy. They're all been 10 millimeters. Okay, this guy should whoa. Pop out. I'll leave this in here. I don't need this. I'll put this guy here. Okay, and then we'll need to take this guy off right here. Okay, I'm gonna throw that in my basket. Come on. Let's see here. What do I have in here that I can just knock that off? There we go. Let's see. There. Okay. Oops. Ah. This is a bumper. We'll put that back in there. Okay, and this is let's see, what size is this? This is torque bit 25, and just one right here. This is actually the wrong size. The size you need is a 30. But this seems to be working okay. I don't have a 30, but I do have a 27. So let's give that a try. Oh, okay, much better actually. Okay, let me grab my cordless drill. All right, here we go. Okay. Take this down. I want to keep this bolt just in case, and that bracket. Okay. Wash my hands. Okay. There we go. I went to a local tractor supply company and bought this PVC rain pants and rain jacket. Thank God I did. All right. Well, guys, that finishes up our trip for today. There's a few things I wasn't able to find, and I was really hoping to look for this little corner trim right here, but I can find that on eBay. Anyways, let me show you guys what I picked so far today. So all in all, not a bad day. I paid $56 for each one of these doors, and that's going to be a really nice highlight to what I have right now. What do you guys think? Did I do a good job? So I don't know if you guys ever looked at buying doors for yourself, or just, you know, these big parts in general. On Craigslist, Facebook Marketplace, eBay, they're kind of expensive. Like I was saying earlier, these doors goes from anywhere from $300 per each one with the windows up to $600 to $800 I've seen on eBay for a good condition one. These are pretty darn good. So I got all this again for about $50 each. A little bit of, you know, element you got to fight out here, and you just got to come out here prepared. I am totally dry. I'm actually sweating just a little bit, so I'd love to hear the things that you guys picked out on the yard yourself. And by the way, these guys are a nationwide company, and they're everywhere. So if you guys belong to their it's called a toolkit membership, and it's like $10, you get these amazing deals. If you want a toolkit member, these things will cost you about $140 each. And then you get emails on promotions. But what I was saying before, they have promotions where you guys can take whatever you can carry with one hand or your hands out the door, but you got to physically carry it, like engine, transmissions. I've seen it where it's like $10, whatever you can carry. So it's pretty fun. If you guys never been to a pickle pull before, go check it out. Hope you guys enjoyed the video today, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Stick around, consider subscribing to see all the things that we're doing with this little Ford Connect van. Yeah, we got a lot of plans, so Whew. I'm wet, I'm tired. I got a long drive back home. All right guys, we'll see you guys next video. God bless. Thank you for watching.